Hello students, today will be going over the second half of 10.1, graphing systems of equations. However, today our coordinate will be non-integer solutions. So the two places where the two lines cross will not be on a lovely point that's easy to see. So we're just going to be estimating that particular point. And later we're going to find exactly what it's going to be, but not in today's lesson. So let's go ahead and graph this. Y equals 3/2 x plus 4. This tells us where we want to start the y-axis at 4. Then we go rise over run. 1, 2, 3 over 2. Down 1, 2, 3 over 2. Okay. And technically, I should probably use a ruler just to keep it straight. So I'm going to go ahead and use my ruler here. Okay. So that's what my line looks like. And again, I want to double check. Positive number here, positive slope up and to the right. The next one, y equals 2. Start on the y-axis at 2. And if there's 0 slope, that means if the slope isn't there, it's going to be perpendicular to the y-axis. Okay? Now we're going to estimate that point right there. So it's about negative 1.2, comma, and it's up 2 because that's got to be 2 all the way across. And we're done. So again, this whole page, there will not be exact numbers. We just got lucky on the number 2. Okay, next I'm going to go ahead and jump to number 11. I'm going to do this one a different color. Start on the y-axis at 5. Rise over run. When rise is negative, means go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and again, I'm going to go ahead and use a ruler to make that straight. You want these to be as straight as possible because we know they aren't going to line up in a beautiful spot. That's going to be in the middle of one of the squares. Okay, so again, negative slope here, negative number here. Next, I'm going to go ahead and do the next one. Again, this is our start axis. There's nothing here, so I'm going to put plus 0, which means I'm going to start at 0 on the y-axis. 2/3 x, that's positive, so I'm going to go rise 2 and run 3. I'm going to go down 2 over 1, 2, 3, up 1, 2 over 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to go ahead and draw this with a ruler. And you should go ahead and use a ruler on yours or use the side of your book or something. Because you want it as straight and as accurate as possible. Then we're going to have to estimate that. Okay? So I'm going to say 1, 2, maybe 2.6. And then how many up? Let's see. 1.8. And there, I've just estimated that. Okay. All right, students, you can get the rest. You rock.